Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by launching Photoshop Mobile and granting the app access to storage and camera. This ensures smooth importing. Next, tap the plus icon and pick New Project or Import Photo. Choose a preset like 1080x1920 or set a custom canvas. Once done, import your main image and position it roughly where you want. Make sure to name the file and set DPI if you'll print. This initial setup prevents scale issues later and gets you straight into editing without extra steps. You'll work through the core edits using layers and masks. First, duplicate the background so you always have an original, then add new layers for retouching or graphics. Use lasso, quick select, or brush selections to isolate areas and convert that selection into a layer mask to edit non-destructively. Once done, apply adjustment layers for exposure, color, and contrast. This lets you tweak values without altering pixels. Make sure to group related layers to stay organized as complexity grows. You'll complete the project by preparing the final file, review layers, then export. Pick PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller size, set quality and pixel dimensions, and choose sRGB for web. Save to device or cloud or share directly from the app. Once done, back up the editable PSD. If something goes wrong, colors shifted, blurry output, or missing elements, check the color profile, confirm resolution, and inspect hidden layers. That single check usually fixes most final file surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.